Buy Rose Bowl tickets. If you have ever tried to get Rose Bowl tickets in the past, you know how hard it can be to get your hands on them. Every year those who are lucky enough to have Rose Bowl tickets flock to the Rose Bowl during New Year's time to enjoy the football game, sometimes preceding that with the Tournament of Roses parade. What makes these tickets so difficult to get is that they sell out every single year. Not only that, but they sell out well in advance. If you want to try and purchase your Rose Bowl tickets at face value, you can visit the Tournament of Roses official website and you will find instructions there on how to get your Rose Bowl tickets straight from them at face value. If you are lucky enough, you will have the opportunity of purchasing at the max 2 tickets per transaction. Please be aware that the most transactions that one person can do is 2. Of course you cannot depend on this though. You will have to take all strides you can in getting your tickets. You should know that Rose Bowl tickets always go on sale in the early part of December. You will want to check out their website to know the exact date and time. When your hunt begins, you will want to do some multitasking. Go to the Ticketmaster website and try to reserve your tickets as soon as they are available. Keep trying over and over and do not give up until you succeed or they have all been sold out. At the same time, you are going to want to keep on calling the box office 213-365-3675 until you're connected. If this method didn't work, at least you know that you gave it your best shot and will not feel too down about it. All hope is not lost yet to get tickets though. You still have a good chance at getting your Rose Bowl tickets through ticket brokers. If you did not succeed at getting your tickets at face value with the method explained above, then your next chance of getting Rose Bowl tickets is through ticket brokers. It does not matter that Rose Bowl tickets are sold out. Ticket brokers will have Rose Bowl tickets available for you, but you must know that the tickets will be a little more expensive. Through the brokers you will be able to find group tickets in case you need lots of seating together for you, friends, and family. After getting your tickets, go ahead and have a grand old time and enjoy the game. If you can, don't forget to enjoy the world-famous Tournament of Roses parade on Colorado Boulevard near the Rose Bowl.